Very warm and cheerful good morning to all of you, my friends. Honorable Gaikwad sir. My name is Abhishek Mohan Rao Chaudhary. Today I am going to discuss on very interesting topic, that is the ultrasonic welding process. So first of all, we will see some introductory part about the ultrasonic welding process. So ultrasonic welding is an industrial technique whereby the high frequency ultrasonic acoustic vibrations are locally applied to the workpieces being held together under the pressure to create the solid state weld. Now we will see about the construction and working of the ultrasonic welding process. But on this slide the diagram is not present, so we directly jump on the slide where the diagram is present so that you can easily correlate the things with the diagram. So here the figure shows the schematic representation of the ultrasonic welding process. But before going to the construction and working of the ultrasonic welding process, we have to know that why to use the ultrasonic welding process. So the first reason to use the ultrasonic welding process is ultrasonic assembly uses ultrasonic vibratory energy which is transmitted through the part to melt the bond thermoplastic materials and joining the thin sheets, gauge metal and other lightweight materials. The second reason is this technique is fast, efficient, non-contaminating and requires no consumables. The third reason to use the ultrasonic welding process is the ultrasonic welding there is no connective bolts, nails, soldering materials or adhesive necessary to bind the materials together. So the basic assembly of the ultrasonic welding process consists of the various elements. The first one is press, nest or anvil, the ultrasonic stack, converter, booster, horn or sonotrode, the ultrasonic generator and the controller, so that we can see the function of each and every element of the ultrasonic welding process separately. So the first element is press. It is used to supply the pressure on the two plastic material to be joined. It may be of pneumatic or the electric driven type. The next element is anvil. It is a clamping device that is used to hold and clamp the two plastic pieces together. It allows the high frequency vibration directed to the interface of the two pieces. The third element is ultrasonic stack. It consists of a three component, a converter or piezoelectric transducer, a booster and a horn, or we can also call this a sonotrode. These three elements are turned to work on the resonant frequency of 15 kHz, 20 kHz, 30 kHz, 35 kHz or 40 kHz. The fourth one is the converter. It converts the electrical signal into high frequency mechanical vibration and it does not show through the piezoelectric effect. The next one is booster. It modifies the amplitude of vibration mechanically. In some standard system, it is used to clamp the stack in the press. The next one is horn or sonotrode. It vibrates a high frequency and transmits the mechanical vibration to the two pieces to be welded. It is also modifies the amplitude mechanically. It takes the shape of that part. The horn is made by titanium or aluminium. The second part is the ultrasonic generator. It generates and delivers the high frequency electrical signal matching the resonance frequency of the stack. The next one is controller. It is used to control the movement of the press and delivery of the ultrasonic energy. Now we will see the working of ultrasonic welding process. At the start, the high frequency current passes through a piezoelectric transducer. This transducer converts the high frequency electrical signal into mechanical vibration. This vibration further supplied to the booster which amplifies its frequency. The amplified high frequency vibration passes through horn which is in a contact with the welding plates. This welding creates a lap joint. One plant of the weld is fixed into fixture and other one is direct contact with the horn. These plates are fixed under the moderate pressure force. The horn supply high frequency mechanical vibration to the welding plates. Due to this vibration, oscillation, shear force act at the interface between welding plates which results electroplastic deformation at the interface. It is also create a localized temperature rise due to mechanical force and the friction. This heat helps in plastic deformation at the interface and makes a strong joint without melting of workpiece or using a filler material. So this is a working and construction of the ultrasonic welding process. Now we will see what are some advantages and disadvantages of ultrasonic welding process. So the first advantage is this welding can be easily automated and fast. The second one is this produces high strength joint without applying the external heat. The third one is this is clean and provides a good surface finish after welding. The fourth one advantage is ultrasonic welding process used to weld wide variety of dissimilar metals. The fifth one advantage of ultrasonic welding process is it does not develop high heat, so there is no chance of expel a molten metal from a joint. There are also some disadvantages of this machining process. So the first disadvantage is it does not weld thick hardened metal. The thickness of weld about 2.5 mm for aluminium. Second disadvantage is tooling cost of the fixture is high and they also need a special design. The third disadvantage of this system is the vibration generated through transducer can damage the electronic component. Now we will see some application of ultrasonic welding system. This welding is used in a fabrication of a nuclear reactor components. It is used in automotive industry for key, headlamp parts, buttons and switches. Ultrasonic welding process is used in electronic industries like armature winding, switches, etc. This is a clean welding process, so it is used in medical industry also to make a part like a filter, masks, etc. So this is all about the ultrasonic welding process. I hope you will understand the each and every minute details about the ultrasonic welding process. Thank you.